a 2020 Tesla Model 3, available in white, black, midnight silver, blue, can be yours for free. All expenses paid, plus a little extra. All that can be yours. I'm going to tell you how, coming right up. I'm super excited for this one. So I'm teaming up with Prizeo to give away a free Tesla Model 3, plus $5,000 in the frunk. I'm going to tell you how you can win a Tesla Model 3, as well as I'm going to find someone that's never experienced a Tesla before to show him how he can win a Tesla Model 3 and just how amazing the vehicle is. Let's go. What's up, dude?
Hey!
You always wanted to drive a Tesla?
Sure!
Well, let's go. I gotta show you this.
Alright, let's go.
So this is Jorge. Jorge, what cars do you drive right now?
I have a Honda Pilot and a Honda Accord.
Have you ever wanted a Tesla?
Oh yeah, especially the wife. That's for sure.
Well, why haven't you bought one yet?
They're kind of, it's a little kind of expensive. I don't know.
Okay, what if I told you you could win one?
Oh man, that would be amazing.
All right, I'm gonna tell you how you can win one, plus you're gonna experience your first Tesla today. So jump in the driver's seat, you're gonna be driving today.
Oh, okay. Wish me luck. I told you that I don't even know how to open one. Oh my gosh. Okay, that feels weird.
All right, so you've never driven a Tesla before?
Never even got into the passenger side, right? I mean, or even a passenger side, to be honest.
Now, regarding winning the vehicle, so you can get this exact vehicle, in fact, even better than this. Mine's a rear wheel drive. They're giving away an all-wheel drive vehicle.
Wow.
Okay, all black interior, the 18-inch black Aero wheels, plus you get your choice of white, black, midnight silver, or blue. What's your favorite color?
Blue would be nice.
Yeah, the blue is awesome.
Yeah.
So let's get into it. Let's check out how it is to drive one of these. So first you want to set yourself up, right?
Yes.
So to set that up, you've got your switches on the left there that you can move your seat forward and backward.
Okay. So pretty standard.
Yep.
In some way. And
all right.
a little closer.
Then you can adjust your steering wheel too. So the left scroll wheel is going to move your steering wheel up, down, left, right.
Oh, wow.
So that's the highest. And then if you move, you can bring it closer.
Oh, there you go.
Whatever feels good to you.
Yeah, there we go.
All right. What about the mirrors? How do the mirrors look?
Mirrors.
Here. Use the same scroll wheel to adjust your left mirror.
Okay. There we go.
And then use the scroll wheel to adjust your right.
So everything's done by the touch screen.
Everything is done by the touch screen.
And then you control it like with this. Okay.
Minimal buttons. The nice thing about that is now everything is on your screen.
Yes.
So if something needs to be changed, it's easy to change it because it's software.
That's right.
Whereas like if they're hard buttons, you can never change that stuff.
That's right. That's right.
So you're all set up, ready to go.
Okay.
So we'll just hit save. I just created you a profile. So in case you ever wanted to steal the car, your profile is there. All right, we're good to go. So you've got your maps here, you've got your car here. To turn the car on, all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake.
Oh.
Car is on.
Really?
Yeah, your gear shifter is right here.
Wow, how do you know he's on?
So when you put your foot on the brake, put your foot on the brake again, you'll see the lights come on and you'll see all your,
oh, okay.
And then that's the only time you're able to change the gear.
Got it.
So if you shift it down, there you go. Now you're in drive. Take your foot off the brake. It's not like a car, so it won't roll forward.
Yeah,
you're on hold.
Don't even feel like it was actually on.
Press the gas pedal.
Wow. It's different. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So then,
yep, you just shift in reverse. Now what you're gonna feel is when you let your foot off the gas, you're gonna feel the car automatically braking. That's called regenerative braking.
Okay.
And that's done to basically put energy back into the battery. So that way it's kind of charging a little bit as you're driving.
Got it, got it.
So over here, just go ahead and let go of gas. Don't even touch the brake. See that?
Yeah.
You're not even touching the brake. And because of that, the brakes go for over 100,000 miles without having to be changed.
Oh, it doesn't automatically.
Exactly.
Wow, that's cool.
This car goes over 300 miles of range on this vehicle. And then you've got your supercharger. How does it feel?
And it feels really good. I mean, I'm a little You know, I feel like I'm like driving for the first time for reals. You know.
I know.
I'm just getting used to a new feel of the car. It's not.
Let's make a right at this light.
All right.
So you see all these red dots all over the entire United States?
Yeah.
Those are all superchargers. Enables you to charge this car in less than an hour. The entire charge. So, you know, it's not a whole lot of time wasted charging.
That's right. It actually detects the cars next to you too.
Yes, you'll see cars, you'll see lanes, you'll see...
So if you're too close, then it will detect the car.
Exactly.
I noticed that one was, see, like that one.
Yep.
Wow.
Oncoming, so it's always monitoring. In fact, the Tesla Model 3 is the safest car in the world right now. And the reason for that is because it's got a low center of gravity. As you think about other cars, you've got an engine up front, you've got weight distributed kind of unevenly. Well, the Model 3 has one giant heavy battery at the bottom, so that keeps the car very low and centered, as well as there's nothing in the front.
That's right.
So you've got a huge crumple zone, so it's the safest car. Plus you've got airbags all over the place. It is the safest car available. So you feel good when you have your family in there.
Absolutely, yeah.
And what we'll do is, as soon as you make this left here, really just stomp the pedal all the way down. Don't be scared. Just give it to it. There you go.
Wow.
That is the Tesla Gleam.
Wow.
0 to 60 in under 5 seconds.
That is crazy. And no boom, I mean, just...
No noise.
No noise at all.
Just the hum of the electric engine. Or electric motor.
I felt like Knight Rider.
Yeah. It's also got 8 cameras around the car. That's how it's able to see everything. It's how it's able to see all the lanes. It's how it's able to make changes and run autopilot, which you're going to see on the freeway. And also those cameras work as a dash cam too. Okay. So it's always monitoring all the cars and everything around you. So if someone comes up to your car and messes with your car, it's recording that. And so it stores it to a USB drive.
Oh.
So you always have that. So you don't have to pay extra for a dash cam. And what's great about that is I didn't have that when I bought the car. It came via software update. So it's great because the car just continues to get better. Yeah. Whereas, you know, any other car, the day you buy it is the day it is, you know, 10 years later, other than maybe if you pay for some map upgrade.
Got it. So how do you, how does it get updated by itself? Like
over the air. So it's got a Wi-Fi connection.
Okay.
It also has an LTE connection.
Okay, I'm getting kind of used to the whole stopping thing.
See? Now, let me tell you as we're driving about this giveaway, right? So the company that is giving away the Tesla that I've partnered with is called Prizeo. Okay. And Prizeo is great because it costs $10 for a raffle ticket, basically. And you know, $10 is, if you think about it, is like the price of a lunch. I pay $10 buying lunch every day. Yeah. So if I were not to buy lunch for a week, that's $50 back in my pocket. That's 6 entries to win.
That's right.
The nice thing about it is, you know, some people look at it and go, well, what are my chances to win? Well, what's great is that Prizeo gives the money to a charity called Project Angel Food. And Project Angel Food helps to give food to people that have serious medical conditions. So it's kind of like a win-win situation, whether you win the vehicle or you're giving money to a good cause like Project Angel Food. It's a great project, and I'm super happy to work with them and be a part of it. So yeah, it's a really, really good thing that they're doing. And
no, it sounds like it's like a win-win for everybody. If you really think about it.
Exactly.
I mean, not only you helping, but you also, in some way, you know, you trying to get something for yourself, being a little selfish. Yeah. And being selfless at the same time.
right, exactly. There's a lot of competitions where you just enter and if you don't win, you don't win, and that's it. Yeah. Whereas this one, at least you can feel good about yourself that you helped a good cause.
Exactly.
See, you're not even using the brake.
No, I'm getting used to it.
Yeah.
And I like how much dashboard space you have. You don't feel like there's so much going on in front of you. You know?
Very, very minimal. No need for extra buttons and knobs and switches. You've got your standard door, windows, and door opening switches. Yeah. You got 2 little knobs on there, and then you've got your left and right stalks, but everything else is on the screen.
That's right. Wow.
All right, you ready for this?
Yes.
This is it right here. So as you're getting on right here, just go ahead and take the right stalk and click it down twice. This one?
Okay.
Click it down twice. Okay, let go of the steering wheel. You're good. Take your foot off the gas. Don't worry. Are you nervous?
Heck yeah. It's like having a little bit of faith here, you know? Oh my goodness.
So you see it sees that car.
Yes.
But of course, that car also sees you too, so knows.
Having a little bit of faith here,
yeah,
you know?
You want to keep your hand just on the steering wheel, just a little bit, just so it feels that you're there.
Okay.
So just add just like a little bit of weight to it. That's it.
Okay.
And that way, you're still responsible for driving, right? You still need to make sure that you're aware of what's going on, because just in case, you're able to quickly take over if need be.
That's
but
right.
you're really not doing anything. You just hold the steering wheel.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, just add a little bit of weight to it. That's how it knows that you're there. You can take over at any time.
Got it.
So now what I want you to do is go ahead and hit the left turn blinker. All the way down.
All the way.
Yeah. And then keep your hand on the steering wheel. And just wait. You'll notice here that it's turning red because it's saying that, hey, there's someone in the blind spot. Don't worry about it. It will wait till it's safe to do it, and then it will do it.
Okay. Wow.
And so you could tell now, like, let's say you've got an hour-long drive from work.
Yes.
You don't got to do anything. You just have to pay attention.
And put my hand on this steering wheel.
Right.
That's it.
But you know, like when somebody cuts in front of you and suddenly brakes,
Yes.
the car will slow down automatically. So like you'll see that the speed is set to 65, but we're only going 57 because it's keeping a safe distance from the car in front of you.
That's right.
Amazing, right?
I know. I see. I have to have faith in this car.
Yeah, and it takes a little bit, but once you see that it's works amazingly, it just works.
Wow. That was a different feeling. My heart was beating.
Yeah,
I gotta be honest.
not driving. I mean, you're just being present.
And yeah, I think it has a little bit more of an extra beats just because it's not my car.
Right. So these are the airflow vents,
Okay.
which all come out of this thin line right here. See how you can adjust it? So you can feel it going up and down. You can feel it coming on your face now.
Wow.
And so if you don't want it on your face, you can split it, bring it back together. But like, here's what the sound sounds like. I'll have to mute this out of the video so I don't get copyrighted.
Okay.
So this car has, God, how many speakers? Definitely more than 8. I think like 16 speakers. There's a sub in the back that's hidden in the wall, along with an amplifier. So that's the full premium entertainment package. So it sounds good.
Wow.
Sounds good, right?
Oh my God,
I love
yeah.
that. I love it.
I don't think any, even on the other cars that I've been, like, you know, like a BMW or Mercedes, I don't think, this is clean sound.
Yeah.
And I like, I mean, because I like my music, you know?
Now you know why I'm never upset after a long drive home from work.
Oh, heck no.
Because what's there to be upset about? I just got to drive this car for an hour. It was amazing. Or partially drive it.
Actually, if you really think about it, it makes the commuting a little bit more enjoyable rather than be stressful, right?
Absolutely. All right, so you saw all the inside, you saw how to drive it. Well, there's a couple other things to show you is the storage space in the car.
Okay.
So there's a frunk and there's a trunk. So let's get out, I'll show you that.
Okay.
So take a look at that trunk and look at how much space that has.
Oh, nice.
It's a lot of space, right?
A lot of space,
Go ahead and
yeah.
lift up the mat and check out and pull that lever there.
Right here?
Yeah. More
Wow.
storage space.
That's awesome.
That's not all, there's more. Come with me around the front.
You can actually go to Costco with this.
Absolutely.
If you really think about it.
Not only is there a whole frunk of space, but remember, like I told you, Prizeo is giving $5,000 with your car.
What?
All to you buy upgrades and stuff like that, and
So you can make it rain?
so you can make it rain.
That's awesome.
So what do you think?
Yeah, definitely sold on this one. Either I win it, or I gotta start saving up.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
And look at that, the only thing you need here is just for your windshield.
That's it. That's the only
it.
maintenance of the car.
Wow. Look at this. This is clean.
So what do you think? You love it?
Love it. I actually love it. I'm sorry.
You gonna try to win?
Heck yeah. No, for reals. Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, I am super excited to be working with Prizeo on giving away this epic, amazing prize. This is your chance at winning a 2020 Tesla Model 3 in your choice of colors: white, black, midnight silver, or blue. Remember, the Model 3 is the safest and essentially the best electric vehicle out there with a 300+ mile range. 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds, an all-glass roof, and a 15-inch display. There's no other electric vehicle out there on the market. And remember, this vehicle, if you should win, will be delivered to you, all sales taxes and delivery fees included. Also, as a special gift from me to you, for every donation that you make, if you use the code TESLARAJ, you'll be given 100 bonus entries. That's an even more of a chance to win. So make sure you sign up at Prizeo.com. I'll put a link down in the description below. Remember to use TESLARAJ to get even more entries, and good luck to you. Hopefully you win, and if you don't, remember, it's going to a great cause, Project Angel Food. It's the leading nonprofit provider of nutritional meals and counseling for people living with serious illnesses. Thanks, and I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.